Okay, so good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you here in another session of Let's Talk Live. I hope you will enjoy this session, and also this session will teach you something, and you will also get some good information and good knowledge. And I think you will also get some good confidence that while speaking, you will enjoy the session. So, in today's session, what we are going to do, we have some good discussion questions based on medical and awareness. So, because these days people they are not very conscious about their health and their body. So, we will have some good question, and you just have to deliver your point because different person have the different mindset, different answer. So we will know that what kind of precaution we should use and what kind of awareness we should have to prevent the diseases and to make our health more like better. Okay, so I will ask everyone individual person, then they have to speak on that. They can give their suggestion, ideas, thoughts, whatever they have. So first, without delay, I would like to invite first member, uh, Nisa ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hey, good evening, sir.
Yeah. So may I ask you?
Yes, I sir, you can ask.
Okay. So first question for you on medical and discussion question. So why is mental health very important in today's life, as per your understanding?
Okay, sir. Thank you for asking me this question. Good evening, everyone who is presented here. So, why is important? Why it is the importance of mental health, right? Yes.
Y-
So nowadays, because of the busy schedule, we are working many of hours without means they are not stopping, they are continuous working, and they are not doing anything regarding of mental peace. So for that we need to understood this thing. If we are not mentally feel good, so how we will do work in future? So for that I think we need we take some time for our mental rest. Also we can do for this yoga. It is good for our mental health. Almost we can 10 minutes, it is enough, or more than I think 10 minutes. So per day we can make the time to do yoga. With that we will feel okay, and then we are able to reduce the stress, and whatever the thinking is coming on our mind, and the mental stress is coming on mind, so we can stop, or we can handle the challenges to the mental peace. So it is needed in this time, or because of this there is so many things also happen. Mental stress for means because of mental stress, our stomach is also not feel good sometime, and hair loss is also happen. So if we keep peace in mind, so we get good health, good body, and we feel free and unstressed and happy. That's all from my side, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for elaborating the things. And it is really true that people they are like they are very few people that they are very health conscious, and they are also when it's come to mental health, so they are like doing some kind of things to prevent like diseases and to make their life healthy. So as you have told that doing meditation, exercise, yoga, so that will really help us to maintain our mental health. So it is very good point, ma'am, you have said here. So thank you once again. Okay, so this time I would like to call the next member. Okay, now it's time for Anup sir. Good evening, sir.
Sir, good evening.
Yes, sir. So another question for you, that is, do you agree that prevention is better than cure? If yes, then why? And if not, then why? Cure means treatment. It if
Yes,
you
yes.
yeah
Prevention, na?
uh,
Prevention
is
better
better
than cure.
than cure. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, 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 sir. Good evening, everyone. I would like to share something about today's a very important topic, that medical and awareness and prevention better than cure. That is very important part. You know, first of all, we have to know that what is the medical awareness means, who have some basic knowledge about health and diseases and prevention and timely treatment. It helps people healthier and avoid serious illnesses. So therefore, prevention is better than cure. So if you maintain your health, like a you know that nowadays most of the people they increase the obesity, therefore they suffering for many diseases. That first of all you have to maintain the good habits and discipline. If you have discipline, then you can do many things. That you have to do exercise every day, like a yoga, pranayam, gym, running, jogging, walking. That you have to keep 1.5 hours for your health, maintenance for your health. If you healthier, then you get everything and live happily. So prevention is most important. That if you have feel some like a nowadays, that lots of people under the weather, they are feel suffering from high fever, and therefore lots of pain and headache, and they could not get food. Because of that, they deleterious for their health, because of they could not maintain, therefore they fell into sick. So immediately you get treatment. Uh, don't neglect your health. Otherwise, it comes seriously, like it fell into a seriously health issues. Therefore, you have to spend lots of money. And everyone nowadays, medical equipment, medical expenses is very high. If you want to visit a doctor and private doctor, you have to pay for 1,000 to 1,500 for doctor fees, and thereafter they lot of investigation suggested. So therefore you have to pay more than 5,000 rupees for investigation, take report, and after that they prescribe, the doctor will prescribe the medicine for more than 2,000, 3,000 rupees, and have to take more than 1 month. Thereafter you can cure. Because I came to know that I last year I fell sick, but not a last year. I felt that 2 years, 2 weeks ago, but I neglected, and I walk continuously. But after that, we unable to wake up in the morning and unable to walk to go toilet. Just now, I have high fever and pain. Therefore, I went to doctor and spent more than 15 to 20,000 rupees. Then I feel some quite well now. So everyone nowadays should purchase a health insurance, because we are living in uh, unstable life. Anytime, anyhow, that we feel sick and meet with an accident and some other ways. So if you transfer your life risk to others, means any health insurance. Therefore, but have to knowledge or discuss for some event which plan is better than us nowadays. Thereafter you invest. Because of that, nowadays you know that new medical technology also come. Robotic, like if you have below than 10 lakhs insurance, then robotic surgery not allowed for that insurance, that plan. So therefore, you must have purchased for below up to 10 lakhs rupees your insurance. Then if you have like a age like a 20 or below 30, you have to pay I think more than uh, below 15,000 or below 20,000 per annum. So therefore your risk transferred to others, you slept quietly. You never thinking that if you feel some serious illness, how can I do? Therefore, your investment within a 7 days, you finish your investment. Like your hard work, hardship money spent to the doctor for hospital. So prevention most important than better of cure. Uh, and also it is also prevention matter like a purchase a health insurance. So I think next is I can say if you want to awareness like a you know that many health campus is organized by the charity organization or club. You can go there and check up your health and have to do some exercise, and they also suggest some do exercise and eating bad habits and go avoid street food and fried food and eat healthy food and plenty of water drinks. Then I think always we such types of prevention matter we can take, then we always stay in a healthy and fitness. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for elaborating the things and sharing that really prevention is really better than the cure. If you will prevent your body and like make your body that no kind of disease will affect you, so it is really more better. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So now I want to call the next member, Ritika ma'am. Ritika ma'am, are you free? Okay. So move to the next member.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sorry, sir.
okay, no issue. So next question for you. So what are the danger of using medicine without a doctor advice?
Jai Guru
It-
Ji, Shukrana Guru Ji. Namsa Manali, sir. Shukrana. Sir, your question is finished?
Yes, ma'am. My question is that what are the dangers of using medicine without a doctor advice or precaution?
Uh, Good evening, all of you. Thank you for giving me chance. Sir, your question is about people take medicine without asking to doctor.
Yes. So what are the dangers? Means what can be happen after
Yeah.
having? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now I got it. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir, this is a very dangerous because people are not take seriously and they took medicine uh, without went to doctor and they are nowadays they are uh, watching in the seeing in the Google. They asked to Google and they took medicine uh, from shop and they took medicine, but it's not good. It's harmful because some medicine are very high dose and they are not suitable for that person. So this is very that is very danger for them. And some medicine are alcohol, and some medicine are very bad impact. So their body, in their body rashes and something, they they are in okay, slept. This after they slept because in medicine alcohol medicine is high. So this is not good for them. This is very harmful, but they are not taking it serious. I'm giving example. Nowadays, my mother-in-law having some allergy issue, but she is not. She don't want to go doctor. So and she searched in Google and she uh, my father-in-law went to uh, shop and he purchased some medicines. She took medicines, but it was not effective. And I told her so many times, please come to doctor. So this is the main issue, sir, and it's harmful for her. And she was not cured right now. Also, she's not cured. So, but people are not aware of these things. They are not taking seriously. So this is impact bad for because of their body and their mind also. Because if they are not well, so they are not think positively. They are not happy. They feel not energetic. So this is bad impact on their full health. Thank you, sir, from my side.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for elaborating the points from your end. Actually, you are completely right that whenever a person who is taking the medicine without discussing with the doctor, so it can be risky for that person, because sometimes doctor understand the human body. When you are going for any kind of treatment and when you are talking with the doctor, you are asking your problem with the doctor. So he is suggesting the particular medicine, because some person, they have their body had the different trigger. Okay, suppose that a person who is a different kind of things, like he has sugar, okay, and he has the another injury. So if he is taking the medicine, just searching on Google, on YouTube, or like he's understanding himself very over smart, so it can be really dangerous for him. Some thing like he will the some point it will trigger their body with taking medicine without the doctor precaution. So it has so many dangerous point when people they doing the like unawareness. Okay, so it is really right that always have a person should have to take medicine after the discussion with the doctor itself. So thank you, ma'am, for sharing your point. Okay, so now I would like to call the next member, Sarath sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir. Very good evening.
Yeah, I think I have talking with you for long time, sir. It's been many, I think many days or weeks.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay, so very good question for you, sir. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So what responsibility do doctors and nurses have towards society, as per your understanding, sir?
Could you repeat again your question, please?
Yes, sir. Okay. So, what kind of responsibility that doctors and nurses they have towards society?
Towards it mean remove or
Towards
taking.
means towards यानी की तरफ.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
Actually, thank you and good evening to all of you, and thank you for giving me opportunity to speak, especially responsibility of doctor related to the society. As you know, like we call second god to doctors, because we can see to the by our own eye, like who can make better to us, feel to the better us after give to the treatment. And whenever we are facing any problem related to health issue, we all time just try to get help from the doctor. It's mean that he's also second god for us. And you know that like doctors have so many responsibility. Doctors should uh, time to time make awareness in the society, and society have also responsibility, like treat better way to the doctor, because they are also human being. They want also get to the proper respect. But in the sometime it's happening like in the hospital or any place where there are two person like public and doctor. Sometimes behalf of the misunderstanding they get try to hate each other, so it's not good. And you know that like doctor only one of man who can make better thing in the society. They can create to the awareness, like we can see like how they work in the like they are frontier worker. When we were facing to the COVID-19, in that time we were just be close to our door, and all family we were living there. But doctors, he had to responsibility. They were coming every day to a hospital, and they were also going to the street if anyone facing problem related COVID or anything. It's mean that we got to opportunity to stay at home, but they never have been got to that opportunity period of COVID-19. And they were all time just try they were doing try to the motivate to the people. Okay, don't worry, don't get panic. This is a problem. Very soon we are going to get to the solution, and just you need precaution. So, and you know, like if we want to see what is the responsibility of a doctor in the society and how they play role, and what we can change after get a better role in the society to doctor, we can observe our 2019 or 20 to the COVID period. We are one of largest population country. But if we will see like a dying number to people, duration of COVID-19, and if we will compare to the effective problems of people, so we face too little compared to others where each population is less, because our doctor, they were paying 100% for prevent further problem in the society. They were all doctors had only one intention: provide as much as possible better precautions and better suggestion to society, and they were ready. So I can say uh, doctor have so many responsibilities. If as you know that like if any problem is going on in the society, so doctor first get to worry. Why? Because they know like it's not today this problem only one person, because sometimes some problems come, some disease come who is spread very fast. Uh, so for prevent they start to work there, and if we will go anywhere like we are employee, if our time is over, after that we don't think like what is going on in the company. But if they are sleeping, but if you will call doctor, I need to help to you, then immediately they will come, and they don't think what is the time period. It's mean that they will have to work 24 hours. So we should say to the thankful, and we should all time to grateful to them, because they are working for make better life and provide to the better life of the society members. Thank you. And one more last line I would like to add: to who we don't want touch to the body. I mean that like some people have different and heavy diseases. We don't want touch to that man, but doctor cannot do. Doctor work with the politely to that thing, and they try to tackle with that problem. It's mean that they have daring, and they have so much kindness to, and they're like wondering to help to the people. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for elaborating the things. And it is
Thank you.
truly right that the doctor and like they always have like caring of the patients. We can see the good point from the COVID-19 COVID pandemic condition. Like all the doctors and nurses, they were very busy. Even they are not caring about their family, so they are playing their crucial role for as a humanity, and they had to do. Okay, so it was a like thing that. Actually why we call like doctor as a god, because they are giving the new life to the person. Okay, so that's why they have the sympathy and they have a kindness towards the society and towards the like human. So always they perform their task. They are not thinking that what kind of diseases they have, as you told that. So it is truly right, sir. They have some emotions also, but some, like there are very few places that doctor they have like changed the scenario completely in private hospital, actually, when it's come to hospitals. Okay, so thank you, sir. And now I would like to call the next member, uh, Suman ma'am. Suman ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so for you another question. So, as per your understanding, which is better, government hospital or private hospital, and why, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Yeah, nowadays in private hospital best because government hospital is not proper care. Yeah, you provide in government medicine and bed and good doctor, but not caring in proper way in government hospital. But private hospital, yeah, use money. So in yeah, asking but proper in caring because every go in private hospital nowadays one question is starting asking you have mediclaim so yes then proper treatment and care because is earn for one type business in private hospital so yes and caring so because earn money and yeah in government hospitals sir yeah good but in not go proper treatment so and not time maintain doctor and nurse so yeah sir but now no but poor people go in government hospital because not use money so that's why sir yeah
Okay,
yes sir
ma'am. Yeah, thank you for sharing your points. And it is really true that why people they are like moving themselves to the private hospital than the government. Although government has given very good doctors, MBBS doctors, and you know, after doing their MBBS and good diploma and pharmacy, they are reputed. They are reputed at government hospital. But we people have made this scenario change completely. So after when they are giving their duty, so because of the number of patients, because government hospital the treatment is completely free, so number of person also increasing. So sometimes because of that this is why they are asking that doctors they are not thinking more and not asking more to the person. But in private, all the facilities they are giving, all the treatment in good way they are doing, because they are getting the money from the public, money from the patient. Okay, so that's why it is true that private hospital always give their best. But yeah, in big government hospital, when you will uh, see in a city, and
bangalore yeah bangalore yes sir yeah bangalore yes sir
yeah, so that you will get a proper facility and proper
yes sir
treatment.
But sir,
because
nowadays not every city, na sir. So I'm telling you every city in Kolkata, Bangalore is best.
in a small city, small town, so there is not the good facility, and doctors also like in
And
limited.
not cleaning or not sir in government hospital, no cleaning and care cleaning. So yes sir, and not talking with good behavior. In also in nurse and doctor.
Yes, yeah, you are right, ma'am. Okay, so move to the next member. This time, Himanshu sir. Sir, may I ask you?
Yeah, you can ask. Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir. So, okay, next question for you. So, how has the technology improved medical treatment in like with the technology? What kind of things is changing in medical department when you see or yeah.
I think, according to me, technology has changed completely the system, the medical system, because if we talk about in previous time, means there was technology, but it was not that much updated that it can detect everything. But now we know that by machines or by we can say a blood sample, um, we can doctors can detect like where there is a disease, like what organ is not working properly. So I think if we talk about in past times, so they require that too much tests to do, like for detecting where there is actual problem. But I think after upgrading in technology, it is easy to detect the disease, because they don't need to do the test of every organ. There is a, we can say, a simple test where they do the test, and it will tell the doctors that yeah, there is deficiency in that thing. So, and technology also give relief to the patients also. Means before, we can say, now there is a what we can say, like there are laser techniques. Before that they have to operate for something, like yeah, if a patient have a excessive hairs on his or her body, so they have to do operation for that thing. But due to upgradation of technology, so now there is a laser treatment, so they don't need to operate, or they don't need to face the pain. They can easily do the laser technique, and it is very effective, and it is more effective than doing the operation. So I think this also gives relief to patients, means they don't need to we can say do operate for that things. Means laser technique has give a lot of convenience to patients. And definitely, I don't have a lot of idea about medical sector, but on overall scenario, I think technology is a, we can say, best thing for humans if we are using it in a good way. So technology make us make our daily life very easy. Even like by technology, we can diagnose we can use machines by own self also. In some machines, like we can say BP and diabetes machines, we patients are using by themselves. Because of technology, we came to know that what is our blood pressure, so we can take medicine according to that, means as doctor has prescribed. I think technology plays a vital role in medical sector as well. Enough, I have that much idea. I don't have like specific idea about medical field.
Yeah. No, sir, you have performed nice, sir. Like the point you have given, it is truly and absolutely right that what completely changed after innovation of technology. That the one of best point you have said that laser treatment they are using these days. So it is also a type of new machines you can say, and when you see in like many physiotherapists, they are using the different and new machines to relieve the patient. So they knows that what kind of problem people can have after at a particular age. So as per their like age, there are many machines they have implemented and they are using it. And also, when it's come to the ambulance, and you have seen that in ambulance also many things has been changed as compared to the past few years. Like there are also many facility. So that is how we can see that like medical also implementing many new techniques, and with the time. So with the diseases, treatment also improving, and like doctors, and also many things is changing. So it is true, sir, and thank you for elaborating the things. Yeah, so now I would like to call Sarita ma'am. Okay, I think ma'am she left. Okay, no issue. Now I would like to call Siba ma'am. Siba ma'am, may I ask you?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so what role can youth play in creating health awareness?
Sorry, what role?
What role can youth play in creating health awareness?
Health awareness. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you so much, Yogesh sir, for giving the opportunity, first of all. And today's topic is totally related to our health. And it is really good thing we are discussing this on any health based topic on this platform, because it's an really necessary thing day by day. We should be aware of the health related scenarios or any health related. Uh, we should talk about this. So my topic is like how youth are help for what was that? Spreading the awareness.
yeah,
Yeah. Nowadays, youth are more educated community in this society. Like when we go to school, from that there is some like a teacher will teach us like how the basic the healthcare, how we like how we do the basic health, how can we like the first aid. The I remember that when I was my schooling days, so there every Saturday there was some interesting class on every Saturday. So sometimes they teach us how to take care of ourselves, like first aid mostly. Like whenever we got injured, so that time how can we do the basic things like applying Dettol and so many things. So the youth will learn the things from their childhood, and after that, sometime they choose their career on a health, like a health care. So because it's not a easy topic, but we should be aware. All youth should be aware about how to take care. Like we know that like day to day, on a day to day basis, our life is moving toward some dangerous thing because we are not having some natural thing. Most of the time we are consuming chemical based thing. So we should be aware. We learn and we read on a newspaper as well. We use some social media thing. Sometimes we follow the some health related healthcare related pages. We should follow every, and because we are no one is using the social media. Everyone is nowadays everyone is using the social media. So we should follow at least one page on that. They give us some basic points. So like any symptoms we aware any symptoms we can see in our body, so we can directly go to doctor and visited them and diagnose our diseases so in early stages. Because if we late and if we ignore some symptoms, so it might be dangerous for in a future.
So youth are playing really important and very like very high role on our social media, because most of the youth are running some social channels. And like if some youth if they decided to go on a villages side, because on a villages side most of the people are totally unaware for this how the health is really important. They are just doing the daily thing, because last month one of the incidents or happened my nani's village. So one of the ladies got diagnosis some diseases, and after she was ignored that disease, and after some time, some period of time, that disease that converted onto the cancer. So if she took away in early stage, might be it not converted into the that big like killing disease. So they, and also they are being मोर्चा को क्या बोलते हैं? They are in some
What?
like youth can comes all youth can comes and they run some
Campion. Campion.
campaign. Yeah,
Campion.
yeah. Most of the time some youth like the people who are like taking education on a healthcare sector, so mostly for their projects, so they gave like their teacher gives them to some healthcare topic, so they run campaign, and they went society to society, or they went to villages. Some will they will go some villages area, and they will play there some major important role. So the people, like our grandma, grandfather, mother as well as some relative, if they don't know about some scenarios, so they will aware. And there are nowadays like mostly people are moving toward the Ayurvedic or the homeopathic instead of taking the chemicals pills. So it's really beneficial to human body, because instead of taking chemical pills, it's a really good to take in homeopathic or some Ayurvedic. And so the Ayurvedic, the people who gave us the knowledge, the then people know that it is really important thing. Yeah, that is Yogesh sir from my end.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Really, ma'am, your point is very nice point you have said. And
Yeah,
actually, that youth can change in society, like if they want.
yeah,
As you told
exactly.
that spreading the things, awareness, so it is
Hmm.
totally required if they want to change the society, if they want to develop the awareness and distribute the like medical some equipments if they have, so they can take initiate from their end. It will really help. Yeah, thank you,
Totally.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you so
okay,
much. Yeah.
okay. So now, this time I would like to call Dipendra sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, actually
Okay, sir.
you are unmuted yourself, so I know it's your turn to speak. So
Yeah.
directly without wasting the time, I call you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
Okay. Yes. So for your next question, okay, how does junk food affect our health?
Yes, sir. You are put up very good points for today. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for giving me this type of topic, sir. In these times, our junk foods, junk foods are giving a major type of disease, sir. If you take junk foods like burger, pizza, and macaroni, pasta, like foods, sir, everywhere, every day, sir. So uh, you you will ill in early, sir. And you can avoid this type of things, sir. You don't use this type of junk food like mm, chole bhature and pasta, macaroni, burger, like etc., etc., sir. So I suggest ki if you avoid in this type of junk food, sir, so you will be healthy and become a good health, sir. And your mental health, body health are become strong, sir. But you 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 will take, sir, this type of food daily wages, sir. So necessary, you have suffering many disease, sir. I think ki in this scenario, sir, many youngster on metro city and every one city, sir, are eating this and like this type of food, sir. So if you told ki beta you can't eat burger pizza, तो दो they told कि they angry, sir, कि मम्मी पापा और भाई ignore ignoring, sir. So if you take some if you look, sir, sometimes before approx in the period of century 1985 and 1980 200, sir. So in that time in the market and restaurant are not type available this type food, sir, available, sir, but limited of restaurants are available junk food, sir. Because in the period of 17 and 1916 1917, so people don't have money, sir, excess money, sir. But in this time present scenario, sir, everyone people have money, sir. They are earn more and more money, sir, and they will spend, sir, money and enjoy any tourism place and with family and alone, sir, with friends, family and friend or alone, sir. So all type of tourist places are available junk food, sir. So if you visit any places, sir, so there are available junk food and you will eat, sir, and then you will suffering for more disease. So you you seen ki, sir, कि in the period of आजादी से पहले, so man's life living all long, sir. In that times any persons are age approx लगभग 100 years, sir. But in these times peoples are eating, sir, junk food, so they can't live life approx 16 and 70 years, sir, hardly 70 years, sir. So you seen ki peoples are eating, sir, ki junk food, so many type of disease are like sugar, blood pressure, and heart related problems, sir, that are mm, very serious matter, sir, in this present scenario, sir. So according to me, sir, ki junk food are very bad food for health, sir. If you take sada food, sir, so you live long more and more, sir. And if you eat, sir, junk food, so life become very less, sir. So I suggest you should take sada food. And if you take sada food, so the persons are told ki sada जीवन उच्च विचार. If you can take sada food, so your thinking or उच्च विचार, great thinking, sir. If you are take junk food, so your thinking is not, मतलब कि उच्च, not a good thinking, sir. So that is my concern, sir. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि सबके लिए सही हो, but this is my concern, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for elaborating and explaining the thing that really junk food is very dangerous for our health, and like the lines that you have mentioned with this topic, it is truly I want to truly appreciate that it is directly suggesting the people that you need not to use the junk food. You have you must have to use the normal and simple food that will make your body strong, and also it will uh, prevent you from the diseases. So thank you once again. Okay, it's time for Sarita ma'am, and good evening ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening ma'am. Okay, so I have a good question for you ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So, what should a patient do if they do not trust their doctor's advice?
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good question you have asked to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for asking this question. If patient do not trust to the doctor, so they can take another advice from another doctor. We should not keep faith on one doctor only. Okay. So I think if any, if any doctor examined you and told you that you have some disease, if it's minor, it's okay. If it's like very crucial diseases and related to some internal organs, means that symptoms we are not getting visible. So that time we can take advice from two more doctors, and then nowadays ChatGPT is also good. If we show there, and if we ask for their thought, so they can also means that it can also give you some advice. And also I think it can elaborate you, describe you very well. So I think if we don't have trust on the doctors, we should not rely on any one doctor. We should take advice of two doctors who means on whom you trust, like maybe some of your friends doctor who is very famous in your city, and some like in big cities doctor like in Bangalore, Vellore, Calcutta, Ames, so this type of if doctor uh, from that area, from that hospital, we should take advice and do anything. But mm, as a human being, we have life comes only one, so we should must take advice of other doctor also. Your question is so small, that's why I given answers.
Okay, but giving the answer in a
Mhm.
perfect manner, ma'am. So, it is truly right. You should not depend on one doctor. If you have any kind of doubt, so you should change the doctor at that time, and have you like you can take advice from different doctor if same is matching with like more than two doctors, so you can get an idea that yeah, the same problem like that individual have, so they can take the treatment and whatever accordingly. So it is right, ma'am. Okay, thank you. So now it's done for Prisa ma'am. Prisa ma'am, may I ask
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes, sir. Good evening. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Oh,
everyone.
yeah. So, okay, next question for you. How should doctor handle patients under extreme pressure? How should doctor handles patient under extreme pressure? So, please share your point, ma'am.
Sir, it's difficult to me. Okay, I'm trying to tell my opinion.
Yeah.
Sir, if there is any serious case, doctor should be calm to the patient, and doctor should make patient should take them in confidence. There should no means doctor. I think they trained well how to treat patient. I saw many doctors. They talk nicely, and if you nervous and you feel anxiety, they treat um, there is nothing serious, and they said you can you will well soon. So doctors are some doctors are very how to say crucial also. They doesn't treat well to the patients. Sir, I am not getting much about this question. Can you change another one?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I switch your topic. So, okay. So, why is vaccination important for children and adults? Is it good?
Yes, sir. I can explain little bit this question. Sir, vaccination is necessary for everyone. Like there are many disease in old era also, like polio, chechak. They cure that disease cure by vaccinations only. If anybody doesn't take vaccines, the chance to be affected by the disease. And like in corona period, COVID-19, there was only one thing, vaccination, that people cured. And when vaccination came in COVID, people also confident. Now they will be cured. Mentally, they confident. Uh, it's a I think in before some years ago there were common disease polio and chechak, or if government allow to every pregnant lady before the birth of the children, they means vaccination are necessary to everyone for many disease, because there are some disease that can be cured by the only vaccinations. And vaccinations is the permanent solution of any disease. uh, and if it's better than medicine also. If you will take medicine for any disease, it will took it will take more time, and it will affect your health also. But in injection or vaccination, you have to take one time, and after that for means for a long time, after that long time. But in medicine, you have to take regular, twice in a day, thrice in a day. So for children, medicines are good, and for elders also. But except COVID means COVID-19 vaccinations, there is no any another vaccinations for the elders. Uh, I think yeah, I think so. I don't have more knowledge about it. Vaccinations are only for children's, like some disease, as I told, like Chechak, and but yeah, rabies vaccinations is also if anybody affected, bitten by the animal, dog or monkey, so doctor give vaccination to the patient. Yes sir, vaccination is good for both elders and children's also, youngers also. That's all sir from my side. Thank you sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for elaborating and sharing your point that why the vaccination is too much important for like not only children as well as the elders. So it is truly required in a particular age. So thank you for sharing your point. And now move to the last member, Sumit sir.
Please go ahead with the question.
Okay, sir. So during a health emergency, what should be the first priority, life or rules, as per your like understanding, sir?
What was the last one? What was the last?
Okay, I'm repeating once again. During a health emergency, what should be the first priority, life or rules, as per your understanding, sir?
Mhm. Got it. Got it. Thank you so much, sir, for asking such question to me over here in the last of this episode. Really, I will try to keep my best and make a very healthy answer from my side as you asked. So, sir, we know very well that always we must give the preference for the health. It means life. Uh, Usually, we see in the, you can say, traveling, that whenever we got stuck in the traffic at that time, all members get ready to just like pass the ambulance. All members get ready to you can say mm, clear the road, means clear the path through which ambulance can easily pass, because they know, means they all know very well that a patient is there inside of the ambulance. So it's our responsibility being human that we must pass that ambulance. So the thing is clear. There is no any just like doubts in the concept that which one is means which one will come first. It's common thing. Always we must give the preference for the life, because rules who made? We all made rules, and through rules we are getting some profit and some benefits. Means ki we are going to easily run and easily smoothly. We are going to create an environment in our society through which we can live happy, through which we can get benefits, through which a system will develop, through which a disciplinary will be there, and we can get a great environment. But that is not more better than the life. So overall the thing is, because if human will be here, then go to the discipline will work for us, na? Then go to discipline will really get us profit and benefits. But if our life will be not, means if human will not exist here, then for whom that overall rules and regulation will start to implement. So the overall concepts are clear that we must all time, in every emergency, doesn't matter that matter is serious or minor or major. If the possibility are there, there is need to take a quick and like quick action against of that particular patient. At that time, all time prefer to give a preference and time and quickest response to that person only, to whom that response, quick response required. Okay, so this is the thing. And in the last, I would like to declare one more point as well. All time try to save our life as a proactive. There is no need to wait for the you can say emergency. If unfortunately naturally something is going to happen with us, that's okay. We can't do anything to overcome from that kind of incident and accident. But intentionally it means we drunk heavily drunk, and thereafter we thought and we decide to ride the car. If we are going to cross the safety limit, means the limit of the SH and NS as per whatever the instructions are there, if you're going to cross that the limitation of the speed of our bike, so definitely possibility will be there. So we can consider that intentionally we are going to be the part of incident and accident. So try to control on that and all time try to live safely. But unfortunately and naturally something is going to happen. In that case, give the first preference life only. That's all from my side. Thank you so much. I tried to answer my in short. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, and for sharing your points. It was a very wonderful session. Today we have enjoyed a lot, and I'm really delighted to listen all the answer from every member. Really, it was a good and a required conversation based on medical and emergency and awareness. So really, I really appreciate all the members for their efforts and their valuable time they have spent here to make this session very interesting. So thank you once again, and thank you for the viewer. And we will meet you on the next session tomorrow at the same time, 9 to 10. So till then, good night and bye bye everyone.
Sir, I have a question.